This way, sir. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, the plane has landed. Your jacket.
So how was your flight?
It was good.
It was good. Your production assistant's waiting for you in a car already. We'll take you directly to the airport as the schedule is pretty tight today.
Picture naman!
Thank you, bye.
Opo, on time naman po kami dumating. Okay po, sige po.
Cellphone ko.
Ito po. Bakit sir, may kailangan kayong tawagan o hinihintay na tawag?
Sino ba yung sundo ko?
Luigi! Anong ginagawa mo dito? Nasa Germany kasi ako eh. Nabalitaan ko na may shooting ka raw dito. Kaya, yun, naisipan kong kailangan ka. Kamusta ka na? Sino?
She's okay. I think namimiss ka na niya.
Nakakatulog. Check, boy. Nagagandang ka ba sa akin? Kakaiba beauty ko, no?
Madam, I'm sorry, but I have noticed the ascension in August.
Prominsya? Masih display nanti apa ni? Ngayon available doon sila.
Pinoy ka?
Sorry talaga, hindi ko na na-adjust.
Oh my God! Unang araw pa lang, may scandal ka na agad. In public ka, hindi mo naman sa hotel.
Hindi ko kilala yung babaeng yun. It's all just a big misunderstanding.
I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Whenever we're together, I'm wishing that goodbyes would turn to never. 'Cause with you is where I always wanna be. Whenever I'm beside you, all I really wanna do is hold you. No one else but you has meant this much to me.